Welcome. In front of me I have Alcatel One S, and today I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. So as you can see here, we can spot a lot of fingerprints and other mess, so it will be good if you prepare a good source of light, because you have to see that mess and you have to clean your screen. So yeah, that's the first thing. And the next, we can open tempered glass, so there's no surprise glass inside. And well, we get also two wipes, wet and dry. We are going to use wet at the first, so let's open up. And right now just clean your screen. Okay, and when it's finished, you can move to the another one. And then just do the same. Okay, so it's finished. Right now we can start with glass, and we have to remove this sticker, so do it like that. Oh, as you can see, there's something already under this glass, so it's not any air bubble. I don't know how it comes there, but never mind. Let's put it on the display. You can keep holding the bottom part of your glass. Let's go above the camera, and right now we can put it just like that, and as you can see, it goes automatically. Okay, and it's finished. Right now we can use our smartphone, and there we have any problem with the touch interaction, so you don't have to be afraid of applying this kind of the protection on your display. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.